Hi guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney on phone. So we will just go over the our browser and I will type here Midjourney and just hit the enter. Right, and after that it will open, and after that you have to click on the first link here and it will take just a few seconds to open, and here you have to click on join the beta and you will be redirected to your Discord. So in the Discord you can just create 25 images for the free, and here you have to accept the invite. So I have already did it. So right now after the accepting it, you will be here in the Midjourney server, and here you can just use your for example your pictures to create it. So here not a single image is created by human. These are all the image which has been created by AI, right? So this is the image which you have created. So if you want to create it, let's example here you have to write here basically slash imagine and this prompt, and after that you can just write here anything, young boy eating chocolate, right? And just hit the enter, and after that you can see that keep an eye over this command and it will make a pretty good picture out of it, right? So here let me just go a little bit up. Sometimes it's become very frustrating that our image just change, right? Here you can see that it's only 0%. Until it get converted into 100%, it will look pretty good. So here it is slowly the AI is making, and in 60 seconds it will complete your image. And guys, you can see here that the image has been created by the AI and it looks so freaking amazing and so accurate, right? So you can do it with yourself and you can just try it out, and this is how you can make it. So if you found this video really interesting and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.